Walk into the NIP and you'll be taking your first proactive step against cancer. Many who lost their lives could have been saved if only they had gone for early medical checkups. Early detection is important when dealing with cancer. Thus at NIP, we reach out to anyone who wishes to come forward for early screening tests before the disease reaches an incurable stage. First, come for a risk evaluation. You get an appointment to consult a doctor for a checkup and to analyze your medical and family history. This is followed by the doctor's recommendation. The doctors will advise you on the tests that you should take. Here at NIP, we cater to individual patients' needs. The tests recommended are on a case-by-case basis. Finally, come back for a review when the test results are out. The doctor will explain the test results and discuss any follow-up action that needs to be done. We normally advise you to fast at least 8 hours before consultation, where scans or blood tests may be conducted. You are encouraged to clarify with your doctors any doubts that you may have. The NIP hotline is open to anyone who wishes to make an appointment or have any queries on our screening programs available. At NIP, you can expect the best through our comprehensive cancer screening programs. Thank you for watching. See you.